Hey everyone, it's Betsy here, and today we are going to simplify polynomials. It's not too bad. We just combine our like terms, so let's get started. All right, number one, 3x to the third. We're going to look for any other x to the thirds. So if I go through all the way down to the second set of parentheses, I have a 20x to the third. So I can combine those. If I got 3x to the thirds and I give you 20 more, now we've got 23x to the thirds. All right, that takes care of the x cubes. Now let's go with the x squareds. So I got a positive 4x squared, and I go all the way down, I've got a negative 8x squared. Well, the 8's bigger, so I know it's going to be a minus or a negative, however you want to look at that. The signs are different, so subtract. 8 take away 4 is 4. And carry along your x squared. Not too bad, is it? All right, let's keep going. Next, we're going to look at our x's. I've got a negative 6x and a negative 4x. If I put those together, I get a negative 10x. And then finally, we got to put our constants together. So I've got 7 and 1, which makes positive 8. And we're done. We've simplified our polynomials. We combine like terms. We doing okay? Take a look at it. Take a second. If you have to stop the camera to take it all in, please do so. But I'm going to keep going. All right. On the next problem, man, we got a lot of letters and different exponents and lots of numbers going on here. So we got to be really careful. It's not that it's hard. You just got to pay attention to detail. So let's look at the a to the 5th c squared first. Are there any other a to the 5th c squareds? If I come down here, I have one. It doesn't matter which letter comes first. If the term has the same letter and that same letter has the same exponent, they're like terms. So 5 take away 3 leaves me with 2 a to the 5th c squares. Now, let's go on. How about a to the 3rd c to the 3rd? A to the 3rd, c to the 3rd. Here we go. We've got 2 of them over here. That's all I see. So if I got negative 3 and positive 2, 3 is bigger. It's negative, so it's be a negative. 3 take away 2 is 1. So it's a to the 3rd, c to the 3rd. Let's keep going. Now, I'm not going to do the constant yet. I'm going to keep going with my letters first. You can do the constants if you want, but I want to do my letters. So a to the 4th c, are there any other a to the 4th c? Yes, right here. And you see how I circle the sign in front of the term also. So if I've got 1 of them and I've got 8 of them, that makes 9 of them. A to the 4th c. And I should have circled the plus sign here too. Any questions on that? Oh, I see why I didn't do it there. All right. So now let's go on a to the 3rd c. A to the 3rd c. I've got a to the 3rd c, another a to the 3rd c. Do you have any other a to the 3rd c's? Nope. So negative 7 and positive 9, the 9's bigger, so it's going to be a plus. 9 take away 7 is 2, so I have 2 a to the 3rd c's. And now all it looks like we have left are our constants. I always like to do my constants last. That doesn't mean you do. It's just the way I like to do it. All right, so I've got a positive 1 and a negative 9. 9 is bigger. It's minus, so it's going to be negative. 9 take away 1 is 8. And there we go. We simplified it by combining like terms. So just remember, to be like terms, you got to have the same variable, the same letter, and they have to have the same exponent. So if you're talking about an x and an x squared, they don't have the same exponent, so you can't put them together. Same variable, that same variable has to have the same exponent. All right? Awesome. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Have an awesome day.